Welcome to AIME. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is if x plus 1 over x is equals to minus 1, then find the value of x to power 91 plus 1 over x to power 91. So here our target value is to find the value of x to power 91 plus 1 over x to power 91. In order to solve this question and get the value of this x to power 91 plus 1 over x to power 91, first we simplify this condition. So as given in our question is x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 1. So first we simplify this condition by taking LCM of x plus 1 over x, and we will get x square plus 1 over x after taking LCM of x plus 1 over x, and minus 1 will remain same to the other side of the equation. Now this x will multiply with this minus 1 and convert into minus x. So in the next step we will get x square plus x plus 1 equal to minus x after multiplying both of these values. Now this minus x will move to the other side of the equation and convert into positive sign, which is x square plus x plus 1 and equal to 0. Now as we know that the formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So if a is x and b is minus 1, then we can expand the formula of a cube minus b cube as for this value x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. Now we can see that after simplification of x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 1, we get the value of x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So here in this equation we replace the value of x square plus x plus 1 from this 0, and we will get x cube minus 1 equal to x minus 1 into 0, and the value for x cube minus 1 is to power 3 or x cube minus 1 equal to 0. Now this minus 1 is to power 3 will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert into positive sign, and we will get x cube equal to 1. So here we get the value of x cube, and our simplification is done for x plus 1 over x equal to minus 1. Now we should solve the question for this x is to power 91 plus 1 over x is to power 91. Now we can write this equation as x is to power 90 into x plus 1 over x is to power 90 into x, because this x to power 91 can be written in the form of x is to power 90 into x, and same this x is to power 91 can be written in this form. Now this x is to power 90 can be written as x cube into 30 and into x, or x is to power 30 into 3 into x. It means that we break this, the 90 value is in 3 into 30, because here we apply the basic rule of algebra. The power, if a variable having a power and rising in power with some value, then both power will multiply with each other. Here we break the 90 with the same basic rule of algebra, and here we apply the same rule. Now we as we know that after simplification of this condition we get the value of x cube, which is 1. Here we insert the value or replace the value of x cube from 1, and we will get 1 is to power 30, because x cube is equal to 1. Here we replace the value of x cube with this 1, and here we apply the same thing and we replace x cube with the value of 1, and power 30 is same. Now in the next step we will get the we will simplify this condition, and we will get the value of x plus 1 over x, which is equal to minus 1. This value will multiply with this 1, because the power of 1 is to power 30 will be equal to 1, and when this 1 multiply with this x, we will get the value of x, and here apply the same thing and we will get the value. After simplification of this fraction we get 1 over x, and which is x plus 1 over x from the question is equal to minus 1. So After simplification of this condition, we get the value of x to power 91 plus 1 over x to power 91 equal to 1 minus 1. So here we simplify this condition and solve the value, and we get the value of x is to power 91 plus 1 over x is to power 91 equal to minus 1, and we solve the question for this condition. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.